You are going to love 2021 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, privacy glass, inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, push button start, cooled seats, cruise control, trip computer, folding rear seats. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.